Hello, thank you for joining me today to learn about entering costs in Food Processor. Costs can be entered at the ingredient level and then calculated or even overridden at the recipe level, and I'm going to show you how that works. For this example, I have an ingredient, bananas, already open. I select cost and double-click on the ingredient name to open the cost entry screen. In this example, my bananas are 69 cents per pound. So I type in 0.69, enter 1, and select pound. The program doesn't show currency options because it assumes it's the currency you're already working with. Now save and close out of that ingredient. You would do the exact same thing for any other ingredients you want to enter cost for. So I'm going to show you this recipe. All of the ingredients here have had costs entered for them. To see the costs, right-click on the recipe and select Display Columns. Check Cost and click OK. Now you see here, this column shows you the total cost of each item for the recipe. The beauty of the food processor is that you can enter costs for the purchased amount, and the program will automatically calculate the cost for the amount that you use in the recipe. Remember, we entered per pound for bananas, but we can see here that it displays the cost per each. If necessary for the recipe, you can override the total cost. Go to Edit Recipe, select Cost, and then you can either double click on this or click Edit. I'm not going to overwrite it for this example though. We'll just assume that the calculated ingredient cost is fine. To show the cost on the recipe window itself, go to the Home ribbon and select My Preferences. On the General screen, under Display, check Show Costs. Click OK, and now you can see the costs here. You can also view the per serving cost of each individual ingredient on the spreadsheet report. So go to Reports and choose Spreadsheet. When you first open the spreadsheet, you're not going to see the cost. To remedy this, go back to your home screen and select Nutrients to View. Modify. Click Edit. Find Costs and double-click it to add it to the selected nutrients. Click OK and save this list using Save As. I'm going to name it something that indicates cost is included. Click Save, click OK. Go back to the spreadsheet report and scroll to the end here. You can see the per serving cost for each ingredient plus the total per serving cost at the bottom here. And that concludes this tutorial. Thank you.